Hello everyone, welcome to another Webflow tutorial. Today we're talking about, is Webflow good for SEO purposes? Can you actually rank better with Webflow websites than normal WordPress websites? So let's dive in and let me show you why Webflow is actually good for the SEO. So as you can see right here, Webflow gives you some SEO headroom. What does that mean? Unlike other website builders, open source or SaaS, Webflow prioritizes clean code, meaning that search engine crawlers can easily scan Webflow websites to understand the content and rank indexed pages accordingly. So Webflow is actually set up in a way where it's a very good platform for SEO. So if you want to build a website on Webflow, maybe your agency website or maybe your business website, right? You can definitely do that on Webflow. Now, as you can see, also Webflow has all the essentials for on-site website optimization, such as native controls for adding meta titles, descriptions, image alt text, custom permalink structures, easy integration with Google Analytics, which is really less headaches for you, convenient editor to apply heading tags, and intuitive design tools for creating an effective website navigation and site browsing experience. So overall, Webflow is definitely good for SEO. It's something that I would personally recommend because I was a web designer before and I know Webflow is a very good platform for SEO. Honestly, I would definitely choose Webflow over any other platform for building my website. So this is my recommendation and my opinion. Comment down below, what's your opinion on Webflow? Is it good for SEO? Is it not? Would love to see your take on it as well, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.